Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for smart, stylish, and practical tech gear. Today, I've got something sleek, functional, and incredibly budget-friendly to show you. Meet the best felt 13-inch with pocket laptop sleeve, an ultra-slim business carrying case that might just be your next everyday essential. Let's dive right in. This is the 13-inch version of the Lykoko felt laptop sleeve in dark gray. And it's designed to blend protection, portability, and practicality all in one ultra-slim package. Whether you're commuting, heading to a meeting, or just tossing it into your backpack, this sleeve is built to look good and keep your device safe. Starting with compatibility. It fits laptops up to 13 inches with dimensions around 14.37 by 10 inches. That covers a wide range of models including MacBooks, HP, Dell, Acer, and even Microsoft notebooks. Just make sure your device fits those size specs before buying. The outer shell is made of high-quality cushionable felt fabric. It's not only soft to the touch, but also provides essential shockproof and anti-scratch properties. Think about those unexpected bumps in your bag or minor knocks at the coffee shop. This sleeve is ready for that. It's also water-resistant and helps block dust, which adds an extra layer of protection for your valuable tech. What makes this stand out though, is the smart design. Up front, it's got a double-layer compartment system. You can slip your laptop or tablet into the larger pocket, while the smaller front section is perfect for organizing your essentials. Whether it's a slim notebook, e-reader, or some paperwork. But that's not all. Turn it around and you'll find two additional back pockets. These are perfect for your phone, charger, earphones, pens, data cables, or even a few cards. The layout is minimalist, but surprisingly spacious. It's clear this was made for people who want to travel light but stay organized. Now let's talk about the form factor. It's ultra slim, which means it won't bulk up your backpack or work tote. Plus, the neutral dark gray color and envelope style closure make it stylish and professional, no matter your work setting. It's unisex and suits both business and casual use. The closure system is also refreshingly simple, a smooth flap that tucks in without fuss, keeping everything in place but still allowing you to access your gear quickly. No zippers to jam, no buckles to fumble with. And here's the best part, it weighs practically nothing. The lightweight construction makes it ideal for frequent travelers or anyone who's on the move all day. It punches way above its price class, delivering style, practicality, and protection in a design that feels a lot more premium than the price tag suggests. If you're after a laptop sleeve that looks smart, works hard, and keeps your essentials right where you need them, the Lykoko 13-inch felt laptop sleeve should be at the top of your list. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more pro picks and budget-friendly tech gear. This is Product Critique, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.